Just to the left over here by Mike and Sully are the very popular Instagram walls. You've got your Buzz Lightyear there, and you've got the up balloons. Let's see if Katie wants to go fly away. Oh, you skip.
I mean, if you skip, you dance.
I'm going to take you down to the real Hollywood Boulevard and I'm going to see how that works for you. We're off to Carsland.
Yes, we're finally making our way.
Yeah, and I think we should jump on Radiator because we have a fast pass. Hi guys!
You want to say hi? Hey! How are you guys?
What's up, you guys?
Look at your cute outfit! Oh my god! My kids are obsessed.
Alright, best day ever!
Oh, you guys look amazing! What are your names? Mylea? And your? Kailani. Kailani. Well, you guys have beautiful names. And what's yours? Johnny. And what's yours? Johnny. All right.
Stark Industry walls. Bugsland. The overhead arch is gone. And they've started work on Marvel Land, or whatever they're going to call it, as we make our way to Radiator Springs. I hear Mater in the Junkyard Jamboree over there.
We made it to Carsland.
Carsland, it's bright in Carsland.
It's really bright.
Yeah.
I think the sun bounces off the black top.
No, I think it's just kind of hazy today, so the sun is like...
It's like...
Yeah, I love this Route 66 sign. So awesome.
Like rainbow.
They changed the color, it looks like.
Did they?
Yeah.
I mean, maybe I'm wrong.
No, they did. They used to be
Did they?
rainbow, yeah. If that's just for Halloween that they changed the color.
Boom!
Sarge's Surplus Hut. It's like a Quonset hut. Look at, you can get the plush spooky cars now. They want
$19.99.
Oh, okay.
That's cute.
Which one would you choose? That's right, I did it.
Freshly brewed cup of motor oil from Doc Hudson.
That's how I like my coffee. Some would say that it's like motor oil.
It's true, like it's actually true.
We've already got some Christmas ornaments showing up here at Sarge's. No stall. Dynaco. One of the coolest things about this shop is that it's got this scale model of Radiator Springs. Look at this with all the lights. Walt would have loved this. Look at Flo's V8 doing its thing. Even cooler to look at night. Something definitely to come check out. Some more Christmas ornaments here. Look at that. And the Route 66 one is very cool. Back down into the Springs.
DJ's here.
DJ's out there. I can hear the cozy cone. Look at DJ. Yeah, Lightning's taking photos. All right, rolling up to the RSR, that'd be Radiator Springs Racers.
We're gonna get in this fast line.
All right.
This is the best way to end your day.
World's only garage in a mirage, Stanley's Oasis. We have found the actual Radiator Springs. There it is. This is what they speak of.
I'll take you, Ron.
I'm gonna flip my hat backwards for this
We're gonna
one.
get purple.
Purple car? All right, I say red. Just guessing.
Do you think it's green? But it's a pretty color.
I like it.
I kept missing it.
All right, we're in.
We are ready. Drive it.
It's the law in my town.
Ta-da, yellow grass. I'm gonna drive like this.
Just follow Mater into town to get her. Mater!
Coming, Sheriff! Howdy! Here's the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! You sneaked up on him and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch him. Honk!
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Welcome to race day.
Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Yes.
Yes, Luigi's.
We never get Luigi.
For you, my friend, only the best.
Here we are.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, nice.
You look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
Alright, here it's getting
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm in a coach.
I'll tell you what, to pitch it hard, getting into the grove.
Okay.
So pay attention.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think we are. Oh, there we are.
Oh, there we go.
Show me what you got. Hold tight around the turn.
We lost.
How did you see it?
Race, everybody. Come on, make it. How you fit? Because we made new friends. We won! New friends, wait for them. Bro, can't talk to each other. Can't go back your kids with no trouble. You can't make her. I'm done.
Later, Mater.
Now listen.
Later, Mater. Time to head on in.
Remember, stay out of trouble.
I love you, Dad. Seriously. What did you do?
That was a great little trip to Radiator Springs.
It really was. Yeah, we did.
Yeah, well, that was a fun trip through Ornament Valley. I enjoyed that. And if you enjoyed that and you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to Life Disney and hit the bell notifications when you do so you know when we go live
Yep.
and when we upload our videos. And of course, if you do want to support Life Disney and Beyond that you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll put all that information in the description right there below.
Absolutely, we will. And we will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye-bye, everybody! That's how you do it. You cover up Katie's face. That's what you do. I was giving her the karate chop.
Savage.